today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little thrift haul. So these things I accumulated over one trip. Now I feel like I may have mentioned this, I'm not 100% sure, but I've actually started volunteering in Scent's charity shop in Billericay, and the other day I was there, I did my shift, and I had a little bit of time because I was picking up a Too Good To Go bag, which if you haven't done before, definitely go and look into it. It basically bakeries and things like that will kind of sell their things that are kind of getting towards their use by date, and you buy them really cheap and you get loads of stuff. Anyway, it's completely besides the point. I was waiting for that and I thought, you know what, got a little bit of time, let's look into Billericay charity shops. I haven't been for ages. Obviously the videos you would have seen recently were pre-recorded before I went on holiday, so I hadn't been in a while, so I thought I'd check out what they've got, and they didn't disappoint. So without further ado, let's see what I got in the charity shops. Also, before I start, I have got a bit of a cold, so apologies for the voice that may sound a little bit nasillier than usual. But the first thing I picked up was from Boohoo. Now this actually has got a bit of dust on where I had it stored on my shelf, ready to show you guys. But this is from British Heart Foundation. It cost me, oh no, from Cancer Research, sorry. It's cost me £4.50. It's new with tags from Boohoo originally, and it's in a size 16, which is my size. And it's this gorgeous little crop top with kind of a faux corset look. It's got the seams down to give it the look of a corset, but these aren't corset, like they are just flimsy. This is super cute. I feel like this with some jeans for dinner, drinks, that sort of thing. I think it's a really, really cute little top. It does kind of go down in a little bit of a triangle at the front, which is good. Just give you a little bit more coverage on the tummy, because I know that's something a lot of us are insecure about, and something I'm trying to work through though, because no one should be insecure about having a tummy. It's just where your organs are and, you know, where your food is. Anyway, I thought this is so cute. I really like the shape of a triangle though, however, because it creates that kind of really nice hourglass look, which I really like. And yeah, I picked this up for £4.50, and I thought that was a right bargain considering it was new with tags. Yeah, black kind of corset style top. I love this. Like, I went through a phase probably last year, the year before, and it was when I put on some weight and I was like, I can't wear crop tops anymore. My days of wearing crop tops are over. And I kind of went through that kind of headspace. I know it was just my head telling me that I'm too old for them, I'm too big for them, and that they're not something I'll wear again. And oh my gosh, have I gone back on that now. I think this is so flattering. It's actually quite a short crop top, but with high-waisted jeans, doesn't matter if you're feeling a little bit insecure. But oh my gosh, the flattering shape I get on kind of my collarbone. I never liked off the shoulder things as well. I've always not really liked off the shoulder things, didn't think they suited me again, but I'm finding now with a fuller chest, maybe a bit of a bigger figure all kind of the whole way round, I'm finding that this neckline is just gorgeous, really flattering, and I'm just obsessed with it. And this top is so comfortable, and instead of wearing a strapless bra, I've actually just pulled my straps of my regular bra down, because I find strapless bras really uncomfortable and I hate wearing them. And oh my gosh, I love this a lot. This is definitely one of my new favourite tops. I'm literally gonna wear it tonight to TGI's because I'm excited, and I love it. I really, really love this one, and for the price, just insane. The next thing I picked up was from British Heart Foundation. This was £3.50. Again, new with tags from Boohoo. This is in a size 22, which obviously isn't my size. For those of you who know, I'm like a size 16. However, I thought this didn't look too big, and thought that it literally could just be 2 little stitches on the side and this would be absolutely fine, because I often need more room on kind of the bust anyway. But this is the top. I thought it was so cute, and for £3.50 I literally couldn't pass it up. I am obsessed with these kind of corset style tops that you're seeing from this haul, and they're definitely one of my favourite shapes to wear. But when it's sort of like this, when it's got a zip at the back rather than actual corset, it is so much easier to wear. It's got these cute little puff sleeves, and I just love kind of the daintiness of having the flowers but then the colour being black. I don't know, there's something about that contrast I really, really enjoy. And yeah, it is the tiniest bit big. However, you'll see on the try on clip how I'm planning on kind of just stitching this in, or maybe even using some of the fashion tape to kind of stick it, kind of the iron-on alteration tape. But anyway, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so, so happy I picked this up. I actually, after I got this, went in and showed the ladies who I work with in Scent, and they were like, oh, they've marked that up wrong. That's so cheap, like too cheap, considering it's kind of new with tags, and just absolutely gorgeous. So I picked up this for £3.50. Gorgeous corset top. Now I'm going to kind of just fold it so you guys can see what I mean by the fabric. If I'm looking up, I'm looking in the mirror. I just think that is the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen in my life. I think I'm actually going to take this to a tailor and get her just to take it in slightly at the back, because there is a zip at the back, so I'm thinking if she could kind of move the zip, or you can just take it in at the sides. I don't know what would be easier, but I think I might take this in to her and get her to sort it out, because I don't mind paying £15 to get this sorted and to get it altered, because it's so gorgeous. I'm willing to pay the money to get it so it fits me nicely. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I think this is one of the ways that we can take care of our clothes we buy in the charity shop, make them so they fit us perfectly, and then so we will wear them more often. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy I picked it up. With a little bit of work, I know I can get this fitting me absolutely perfectly, and I think with the extra room, as it is the bigger size, it can fit nicely around my chest, around my arms, and kind of get it to fit my body like a glove, rather than buying something that's too small and trying to squidge into it. I just love this so much, and the fabric is just gorgeous. Then from Sense, I got this gorgeous dress. Now this was £5. It's originally from ASOS and it's in a size 18, which is slightly bigger than I'd normally go. But as you guys know, I literally don't really look at sizes when I buy things in the charity shop, because things have been stretched, things have been shrunk. But anyway, this is absolutely gorgeous. So it's just this kind of leopard print shift dress. It's got this kind of elasticated bit at the front around your chest. Now this is the floatiest dress of dreams. It looks so pretty. As you'll see on the trial clip, it is slightly baggier, but I actually think that with this sort of dress, it doesn't really matter, because it just kind of adds to kind of the floatiness and the kind of airiness of this dress. These are my favourite things to chuck on if I'm hot and I'm feeling a bit clammy and just want to put on something light and still look pretty and still look nice. I love this. It's got the cute little, again, kind of more puffed out sleeves, and I absolutely love it. So here is kind of the floaty dress. I hope you guys can get what I mean, that like obviously it could be tighter, but also it doesn't really matter at all. I find this shape dress doesn't really matter if you get a little bit bigger. To style this, I'll just whack on some cycling shorts underneath so my thighs don't rub each other off. And yeah, I just think this is so cute. Little black accessories, you can even chuck a black leather jacket over it and some tights if you're wearing it in the kind of the colder months. But I think this is perfect with summer coming around the corner. It's so lightweight and breathable that I could wear this and still look nice, but not also be all clammy and horrible. So I love this one a lot, and I'm really glad I found it. Finally, again from Sense, for £4, I got these Primark heels. Now I thought these are the perfect heels if you've got that outfit where you kind of want like a barely there heel. I found the plastic kind of perspex heels so uncomfortable. I thought these are kind of just the most gorgeous shoe. And I don't think I've ever owned any heels that haven't kind of sort of had a strap at the back to kind of hold your feet in. And these are a size 5, but I'm finding my feet are getting a bit bigger, which is really strange. I thought they would have stopped by now. But hey, here we are. There's this gorgeous kind of neutral heel with kind of the kind of flip-floppy style kind of bit in between your toe, and then kind of this gorgeous square heel at the back. It's nice and thick, this heel though, so I don't feel like I'm kind of walking in kitten heels, which I can't even walk in them because I hate a little stiletto heel. But I thought these are absolutely gorgeous, and for £4 I thought these are a must buy. That is one of the perks of working in a charity shop. I saw these on the shop floor and I was like, I'm taking them before anyone else does. And yeah, I love them. So I paid £4 for these and I'm obsessed with them. So that's everything I picked up in today's thrift haul. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.